people in this elevator. 2 kind people and a rude person and me. 7. I felt like 3.
Look at that innovation capacity plate that they just screwed into the wall. The tray lighting.
Indicators are dead.
Oh, it works. It's just very
Was it? Oh.
Look at the people in this elevator.
With the boys.
With the boys.
It's 2 or 3.
That felt like 2. Speaking of 2, we are on floor 2. Now we're down to the 1st
Phone down to more handy cam or
Only in apartment buildings I film my phone.
gotcha. You know, Jason's now basically full iPhone.
Ooh, he's tickling me. What the hell was that?
Hi.
Hi, Justin.
Move your elbow, please.
Sorry. That's so rude. Bye, Chad.